Hey, and welcome to our 2-acre world. We're out here in the greenhouse, and we're going to check on our worm production out here in our raised beds. Worms are really important for your garden if you can get them to come in, because they're going to do a number of different things. They're going to aerate the soil by digging their tunnels. They're going to do what animals do, they poop, and that's going to create what's called worm castings, and those worm castings are very, very nutritious for the soil. They're going to put out nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus. So let's just stick our shovel into the ground here and see what we get. And there they are. And there's some more. Yeah, these guys here are highly beneficial to the soil. They're going to dig their way back in there, but you can see how nice and rich this soil is. We're hoping to get the outside garden as rich as this, but this took a lot of work on Donna's part. There's a lot of horse manure, wood shavings, as well as chicken manure in here to give these guys a good home. And there's some pretty good sized ones in here as well. Worms, gotta have them, love them. Have a great day. Now go grow something.
A simple life.